Hi everyone, in front of me I've got myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So all you have to do is to tap on reset network settings, confirm it with your screen lock, and be aware that that you cannot undo this operation. So let's tap on reset settings if you're ready, and as you can see we've got this info, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.